Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
On the way na kami mga kachupapi sa Filipino market na Filipino Asian market.
South Center
South Center Market. Punta na kami daw mga kachupapi. Filipino store, mga ganun. So dahil traffic daw, sabi ng
most nandun. Mga nagbebenta.
marami tayong makikitang Pinoy. Si Kayo mga kachupapi, hindi namin to anak. Ano to, alaga lang ng aking sister-in-law nga ba kita? Sister-in-law. Ang galing no, kachupapi. Kasi kanina tinatanong ko sila.
Classmate to friend to sister-in-law.
Sabi ko, anong tawag sa kaibigan ko na napangasawa niya yung brother-in-law ko.
Yung sister-in-law.
Oo. Tama ka na, Kayo. Pwede ka na matulog. Sleep na.
Ika na, press. You tired?
So ito si Kayo, ang nanay nito, kapatid nila, Paper, tsaka ni Wawa. Kaya lang, hindi siya inalagaan kasi may pasok. So pinaalaga kay Ruby. Kaya kasama namin.
Dati
Mabait
kasi
naman.
nanay nila nag-alaga.
Lola niya. Oo. Dati yung
Ayaw niya na sa
mother-in-law ko nag-alaga. Kaya lang ayaw niya ng alaga. Ito mapili rin to kung sino mag-aalaga sa kanya
Sabi
Diba?
ko, kakain mo kasi hindi siya naiintindihan ng nanay nila.
Paano sign language kasi to? Sign language.
Ay, di makausap eh. Kaya ayaw niya, hindi ko makuha yung gusto ko, hindi ako makakain.
Sige mga kachupapi, balikan ko kayo later.
This is an island right here. The richest people live in Washington live here. Million dollars. $1 million. No sharp right side. Keep following. There's the bridge. Floating bridge. We're on the floating bridge. This is the view right here. Washington Lake. And Seattle's over there.
Bibi.
On the right side.
Where's the floating bridge?
We're on the floating bridge right now.
This
This is it. Yep, this is the floating bridge.
Really?
Yeah. It's on float. There's no support, nothing. No wire, nothing.
Cool.
It's just floating on the water. It's the other bridge, not really a
Mga
floating.
kachupapi, nasa floating bridge kami ngayon.
Some technology. Pretty amazing.
It's so beautiful.
Tanitik now, wipe your hand, okay?
Alright, well, that's pretty much the whole bridge. Now we're back to Seattle now.
Si Ate
South Center is at the airport.
Yeah. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, pupunta lang kami doon eh. Pag may susunduin na may kasi dadaanan lang. So pag walang ganap na pumunta, kaya pa ang traffic.
Tingnan nyo naman yan, mga chapapi. Ganda.
Diyan kami pumunta.
We went, it's all halfway. We're
See
like,
the mountain over there?
no more.
You see it? It's white. It's on the blue horizon.
Yeah, it's white.
Yeah, it's big.
It's so beautiful.
That's the reindeer, the one everybody talks about in Montreal.
You go there?
We went there.
How you go?
We can't really like go far or...
It's super high. Super
It's
high.
cold.
Cold,
Kung
very
kami kasi
cold.
mataas na yung slope eh.
Oh.
Well,
Pero yung
even
iba talaga,
even still now,
may mga gamit sila, yung mga backslide.
It's cold up there all year long. Winter, I don't know. I bet.
Kasi dito,
Oh,
pero
yeah,
3
winter
hours pa
is
layo
hella
dito.
snow.
Ang malayo.
Yung tayo na, ha?
Ano tayo nasa Alasca?
Em một cái tàu ở đấy chạy luôn vậy.
May snow
Có một trail thấy không?
Skyline Trail ấy,
Alaska.
họ không hay
Ờ, họ nói phụ sắm một Skyline Trail. Không lo mà. Nhưng mà giờ chỉ cho nó đeo chính là không được.
Not even enough to keep you going.
Yeah. They do 10 times your money, but you ain't gonna win in the next 10 reels.
That's right.
I see the mountain.
It's too like,
It's
Yeah.
still right,
That's why it's almost like it's invisible. But
Yeah, it's kind of like the Japan Emerald. What's the one?
Mount Fuji,
Yeah, Mount
yeah,
Fuji.
Mount
no?
Fuji, you can see from the airplane. It's big.
Yeah, it's above the sky too.
Well, they got through Mount Fuji before from Japan because
Yeah.
they fly.
Well, hey, man, when I went across
Yeah.
Japan, I seen it too. It's above the sky for sure.
It's
That's
so
like
beautiful.
It's big.
it's Westfield over here. South
We're
Center.
here.
It's pretty big. I consider it as a very big mall.
Tukwila.
Yeah, it was super mall. Yeah,
Nice. Wow, you wanna go? Say you wanna go. I wanna go too. No, you stay in the car, okay?
He won't stay in the car. He wanna go.
Please. You wanna go, please? Are we gonna eat first? Yes. Yes, we're gonna eat first. Yay! Yay!
tingnan nyo muna yung mga restaurant, baka may gusto kayong kainin or pwede naman kasi tayo mag-take out sa Jollibee.
Okay.
Parang gano'n. Or kung gusto nila mag-take out sa restaurant, tapos kain sila sa Jollibee.
Pwede rin.
Big piece, please. Big piece.
Be, alam ni ano ni paper yung pagpag. Be, you want pagpag?
At pagpag. Pagpag.
Yung pagpag na pagkain.
Pagkain. Nagali sa Jollibee, kaya ayun.
Tapos pinapagpag daw, tapos binibenta daw. Kamaya,
No! We're gonna go around first.
Jollibee!
Go get in line.
You guys want to go first?
Come
You
on,
guys
line.
can.
Right. Got them one line. We'll park. I'll be in there.
No, we just all go together.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. We can go together.
We're gonna be hungry. This line's gonna be long. They're always a long
I will
line.
let them see the restaurant first.
Okay.
Other choices too.
Yeah. Let's go to
I
Christmas
mean, you
Town.
can always get Jollibee like take out or something.
Dito na kami. Kayu's gonna stay there. Bye, Kayu.
Don't worry.
No, kaya stay here.
Pinaiyak yung bata. Charing lang.
Nalungkot siya.
Pinaiyak yung bata. I thought kayo gonna sleep there.
You should stay here.
Go ah. Is Bag gonna fit there?
Yeah, I fit right here in the bottom.
Like his
He
daddy
needs a chain. Do you think?
Hey. Kayo gonna sleep there ah.
Wait, close the door.
Jacket.
It's warm. It's cold. It's up to you. It's just right inside. Yeah, just carry
I
it.
don't know. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Meron pa Seafood City rito, oh. Chowking, meron din. Jollibee, Red Ribbon, tas may mall din. Parang nasa Pinas lang tayo, no? Tagaytay.
Tao here.
Oh, smell that.
You're yata. Buko. Not good.
Crispy Town. Asa yung sinasabi mo sa akin, lechon? Dito ba yun?
Doon ata yung tingnan mo nga kami.
Ay. Magalagala muna kami rito, ha, mga kachapapi, ha. Gutom na yung Inday. Ano, bibili akong fruits mamaya, ha. Para may fruits tayo.
Oo nga pala. Sabi mo nga pala gusto mo yun.
Ay, meron silang ganto baleros.
Yung ganito dito, oh.
Okay.
Ay no, tingnan mo
Daming
yung mga
tao.
menu nila. May mga barbecue sila.
Ay, may turun sila, oh. Ayun, oh. Lechon, nakita ko. Catering.
Ay, yung ganyan. Hindi, kala ko yung gusto mo yung...
Ayun, mga kachapapi.
Yung inihaw.
Yempo.
You order and then we happy with you.
So, pila muna kami dito, mga kachapapi. Parang mga inasal to, no?
Can you read it? What's that last word say?
Yeah.
Beef, seafood. What's that last one say? Crispy?
Yeah. Yeah, crispy.
What is a crispy?
Ah. Eh, gutom na to.
Yeah, it's side.
Nga daw, ah? Yum, yum. Yum, yum daw. Yum, yum. Gutom na yung mga bata, day. Nakaka-high blood naman to.
By the time you add this one, it's gonna cost more. We have 5, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna do like the number one. Yeah.
Sarap. Si Show. He's busy. So, ito mga kachapapi yung aming order. Isang laing. Isang kaldereta. Tapos,
You want one?
yeah, I want one. Maybe I can open.
Just wait for them.
Okay. So, ayan yung kanilang restaurant. Nagpe-pay lang yung aking, kaibigan dito. Yay!
Yeah, mine.
Wow,
This one is
yummy.
yours.
Maybe,
Adobo.
maybe baka gusto nyo nilaing, ha? Yay! Sarap naman yan, di?
Yeah. Ito ka rin. Nakit ito.
Kain muna kami. Yummy?
Mm-hmm. I mean, we beat the traffic. We beat the rush.
Oh, araw pansit. May gusto mo pansit? Anong pinakuha mo? Wala half and half. Ito ba yung bagnet? Pwede ka ba sauce, ha?
Even though we might have to order more rice.
Wala mo rice there. Ito, finish din.
Oh. Yummy. Thank you, Lord.
What is this? Spinach?
Spinach daw.
What is it?
Laing. It's veggie.
Taro leaf. Nasa taro leaf.
Taro leaf.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. What do you want? Here.
How's your steak?
Just a budget.
Bili kami ng cake, mga kachupapi. Dito kami sa Red Ribbon. Parang gusto kong tikman yung ube plan. Tsaka yema. Ito yung ube plan, no, kachupapi. Baby, can I buy this one and bring it to home?
No.
And I just put it on the bag. No.
No,
I want
it's not
brownie.
No, it's probably not gonna make it through the airport. You can't bring food through security. They're gonna take it out.
Look, only liquid.
Food too.
Mag-ano muna, window shopping muna kami dito mga kachupapi ha. Magtitingin-tingin lang kami. Tapos balitaan ko na lang kayo kung ano yung mga napamili namin or may nabili ba kami or maglakad-lakad lang kami.
Kung kumain ka tapos maglalakad ka pa.
Ay, mga totoo ba yung ano? Mga totoo tunay yan. Parang tunay, no?
Siguro,
Tignan
ano
natin.
lang, may
Ito yung ano ngayon, no? Ayan yung usong ano ngayon, no? Shoes. Popular ngayon na shoes. Ito yung mall dito sa Washington, mga kachupapi. Gusto mo sa ano? Gusto mong Tiger Sugar? Treat kita.
ano yun?
May mga labubo, mga kachupapi. Tingnan natin. Akit nito, oh. Ano mo kachupapi yung price? 1,000. What do you like? Gusto niya yung ganyan, kalaro niya. Ito cute to, tsaka to. No? Ang cute. Tsaka yun o, yung blue.
Ano, i-display sa bahay mo yun.
Oo, isang buwan sa kaldo. Maganda to, yung pink. No?
You like that one?
Maganda, oh.
Tell uncle you want the red one.
You want the red one? Ano yun, may pagka binili mo yung isang maliit, malaki din kasama. Ah, iba yung price.
May white price.
Oo nga.
Hindi, 1,000 yan.
Kaya pala na
1,000? Malaki.
1,000 nga yung maliit, hindi ko alam. Kaya pala marami na addict dyan kasi ang cute nga.
Mom, how's that one? Kaza, labubo.
Magkano yung ganyan? Ay, 100. 5,000 isa.
Mamili ka mag-collect.
Ay, yan ba yun? Yan ba yun? Ayoko ng ganyan. Gusto ko yung ano lang. Yung mga ganun, no? Labubo ba yung ganito? Diba hindi yan labubo?
Basahin mo kayo nakalagay. Ganito yung mga labubo, eh.
Kaya nga,
Labubo.
gusto ko yung ganun. Yung ganun lang, gusto ko. Kasi maganda siya yun. Baby, I like the one, the color pink.
They're very expensive.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ang cute oh. Alam, ang cute naman nito. Ang cute nito oh. Cute. Ayun oh. May maliit siya oh. Ito oh.
Ganyan, kinukulit-kulit mo.
Oo, kinukulik siya. 359. Ang ganda nga eh. Tapos pag ano, bibili ka na lang ng box niya, no?
Eh, yung mahal na.
Ang ganda. Nakakatawa. Uy! Ang
Okay, let's go
ganda.
na. Let's go, let's go.
Ang ganda naman ito. $99 sa Kachapati. Bili lang kami ng boba dito. Coco. Welcome. Kayo gusto niya, oh. Ano gusto mo, Kayo?
Gusto niya na Mr. Bo.
Ay, Kayo, oh. There's baby, oh. Play, oh. Baby, oh. So cute. You wanna play, Dali? You play with him. Oh, play, oh. Play. Bili lang kami dito.
Already? Oh, that's good.
This is kind of like the one that I always buy in Berlin Bay.
Oh, let's see if it's any good. Yeah.
I think this is better than Tagay.
How come they get yours first? Oh, you get the same time?
Yeah.
Try it.
Makachubak, mag-enjoy muna kami ha. Kasi lagi nga kami hindi nag-enjoy. Sakit. Sakit.
Smell it.
Pagod ka na, Bill. Tired.
A little bit.
It's empty. You open it. Okay.
Kind of see. Too sweet for me though.
Sarap.
Mm.
Mommy, you have to do it. It's upside down. Just kuku. Just kuku. Let me do it.
Ang ganda mga kasi papi.
Oh, that's awesome.
Papel lang siya, pero pwede mo siyang i-build. Can I take a video?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Good, no worries.
Wow, ang ganda. Ito gusto ko. Greenhouse. Tapos may cherry blossom din. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ko, Chupapi. Ano lang siya, parang papel lang siya, di inaano, DIY.
Papel lang ba yan?
Ang ganda oh. Diba? Na-amaze nga kami ni Paper eh. Ito rin daw. Ayan oh. Ganda oh. Ayan pa rito oh. Ang ganda. Na-amaze na naman siya oh. Where? Oh yeah, I want with ano, this one oh. This one oh, B.
That one?
Yeah.
You like the pink one?
$18. Maganda siya. Ito pa alam, ang cute naman nito. Look, oh. What do you like?
It's up to you. It's for you. It's not for me.
Ang ganda.
This is a pear, apple, mangosteen, orange, lemon, and strawberry.
Ang ganda naman. Kaya lang hindi kasi ako mahilig mag-collection eh. Pag may nakita akong maganda. Ganda naman. Meron din sila. Ay, look!
I know, I saw that. It's pretty cool.
I wanna buy this one.
You want to buy this one?
Yeah.
You're going to build it yourself. You know how to put it
$30.
together? Rosewood.
And then I wanna buy you something box like this. So I can put it.
Yeah. You will destroy.
Look at
There's
that.
a train.
Is that real? I mean, you're gonna put every.
All plastic parts, you put it together.
Yeah, but how is it gonna move?
Probably battery operated. Danny likes to do something like this, put stuff together.
Ala, ang ganda. Pwede ito pang gift.
That is pretty cool. I like that one.
Pwede silang pang gift, no?
A lot of genius ideas. Look at this.
Ang ganda nun. Magkano kaya isa nun? $18 isa. Ito kaya magkano? Ito 29. Ganda siya.
You still looking for those little dancing flowers? Me? Or no?
What? Where?
Just, I don't know. I don't see if you're still looking for little dancing flowers.
I wish that one is
You want the
cheaper.
big
How
one?
much is that?
$15.
15?
It's a small one though. If you want, you get the bigger ones here. It's nicer.
How much is that? No, I want with something on his mouth eh, like a baby.
Big like a baby?
Ito, I saw it here. Oh. There's layer one, and there's that one, the green one.
The one with the bunny?
Ang cute naman ito. Ang ganda. Oh, pwede siyang pan-display.
Maybe you should get these instead and just hang it. I think they will play with it. He'll jump and try to whack it.
Gusto ko maganda. Gusto ko mga ganito. Is this one comes with the box? Or no?
I don't think so. It's like this. So the box.
You need to
Or I
pay.
don't know. Maybe it is. You put the box together itself. You see that?
Ah.
So maybe it does. All the parts are in there.
How they put the light in there? Oh, there's a light already.
Yeah, and then you probably comes with batteries. You like the restaurant one? This one here. This is a kitchen.
Yeah, it's kind of like
DIY.
one of that is kind of like one of this, right?
150 pieces. So it's like a big puzzle. So LED 150 pieces. I don't know if batteries are included or not. Maybe, maybe not. Made in China.
Maybe this one is whole thing or only one for this one?
I think it's just one. You see
Oh.
this? This is just a kitchen. So this kitchen, I don't think it's up here on display, but
Okay.
it's a kitchen.
Okay, I got it now.
Big
I like
like
this
that.
one.
That one's gonna be expensive.
The next one. Where is it? Ha! They brought some fries.
Try mo ba?
That's like French fries, huh? Filipino. I was just tired of everything.
Mm.
Two flavors siya.
There's two flavors.
Ayan na po. Lakas na nga po ng amas. Ginawa na. Motor na dalawa. Ginagawa niya.
Kayo wants to go.
Oo.
It's too small. You can't reach it.
Diyan mo tayo. Ay, big piano. Bilis! Tignan mo, nandidiri na rin siya. Tignan mo yung hawak niya.
ng price kaya madumi yung kamay niya.
Arte na rin yung batang to. Ngayon. There's a hand on your back.
I remember I showed Danny this one. He was so scared. He didn't want to play.
You didn't like this one?
Even though he has a gun, he's still scared.
Because the look is not good.
The one we saw that they used to have is better because it's 3D. So you put the helmet on. This one is just a screen.
Ano ka na? Pasok mo sa the dog house. No, come here. Here.
Yeah, you like your race car?
Takutin natin si Kayo.
Lahat na lang hinawakan na ito.
Uwi na kami mga kachupapi. Nag-enjoy naman ang bata. Mukhang siya yung
Habang nag-enjoy.
That was nice to see. A little taste of the Filipino community.
Yeah.
It's all good.
There's a lot of Filipino.
Ang puti niya, no?
For me, it's just another typical day.
Kaya siya magkawapi oh. Yan. So, balitaan ko lang kay later mga kachupapi ha. Mga kachupapi. Ihahatid lang namin to si Kayo sa kanilang bahay. Tulog na. Nagkaroon na ng stiff neck yan. Tignan mo hawak na yung leg. So dito sila nakatira mga kachupapi sa apartment.
What should I say?
Annie, change your number. I don't have her current number. Tell me Annie, come pick him up.
Oh, you're not allowed to parking here. Because everyone have their own parking, huh?
Yeah, that's why I said it's hard to come over if there's some.
Pero pag nagpapark kami medyo malayo.
Oh.
Everything is
Lalakad.
the major thing is parking.
So they own parking too?
for gas, yeah.
Ka?
Yeah, the parking. On the basement.
Ain't nobody using that right now.
So dyan sila katira mga kachupapi, oh. To their house.
Magkaya tayo.
So how we're gonna park the car?
Park somewhere right here.
Okay.
Makikipark lang siya.
And what if someone's go there?
Right back. Drop the boy out.
Okay, let's go, Kayo. You're here.
Okay. What stuff?
Matawa siya. Dating doon. Itsura. Ano ba itsura?
Pagod din.
Yeah.
Yes. We're going home.
Okay, let's go.
Go press number 5. Number 5. Number 5 at the top. Can you get it, huh? There you go. You got
Job.
Hmm?
Lasing pa eh. It's okay.
You almost lost his balance.
I'm tired. It's okay. I can't live you right
it. Watching
now.
the camera, everybody.
Pia ka dulo?
To the right.
Parang hotel lang din, no?
Give me that one. It's not even heavy.
No, it's fine. I don't want you to drop your soda.
Eh, kinuha kasi tubig kasi nauhaw ako.
Oo, kasi sa akin yan, di ba?
Oh, tubig mo.
Malayo pa.
Ito na.
Mahal pala rito ng rim. Dahil hindi ako makaipon ng ganung ano. So ito yung house nila, Kachupapi.
I need to call you. How am I supposed to call you?
Yeah, it is so big. It is big. Caillou, bye-bye. We're gonna drop you here.
Bye, bye.
Oh, do it for them.
5 minutes, 10 minutes ba yung pauwi?
How many minutes? 20?
Pwede, let's go pee. Where's the bathroom?
Here. Wait, ano sa? Sika, may sariling
Bathroom ito sa mga bata. Ay, kalat day ah. Ito na.
Ito talaga mga bata eh.
Ah, automatic.
Oo, sarado mo to. Tingnan mo yung
Akala to bahay, day. Ihimo na ako. Yung balcony nila, Kachupapi, oh. Maganda rin.
Mommy's on their way.
Kalat lang. Oh. Ay, na kami, Kachupapi.
Pay for the, yeah, you slave for the brand new stuff.
So, yan yung parang condominium, no? Pero sarili, parang bahay. Kasi sarili nila lahat yung gamit.
Ayaw, ano?
Condo rin. Parang condo. Sa kanila lahat yung gamit?
Oo.
Bumili sila?
Boa.
Yeah,
How about all the appliances? That all theirs? Or?
it's rent only.
Oh,
Oh.
rent?
It's part of the community.
Oh.
Part of their apartment.
Like fridge?
I think so.
Sofa.
Sofas, I think they have their own sofa,
Is
but
there?
part of their plans is all included in the rent.
Pauwi na kami. Kachupapis. Yan siya. Maganda naman, no? Pang staycation nga eh. Kung maayos eh, no?
May naman minsan. Kasama yung mga bata eh.
Ah. Eh, that's ka. Nakita.
Car purple now? Yeah, the only purple car you see in town.
Just purple now.
They had a lot of money to get it done. She wrapped it, but she didn't like it.
She spent a lot of time wrapping it.
Yeah, she spent a hell of time and a hell of
Money.
money wrapping, but she didn't finish because she don't go. It didn't look really.
Ay, ang ganda rito. Look.
I told her it takes a pro to do it. But
Pag ganun siya,
it's
oh,
not
pababa
really an
siya.
everyday type
Oo,
of
oo.
car. You go more
Pag
around.
ano yung look niya.
Oo, tignan mo Kachupapi, oh.
$600, 50 later. Dude, I said, you know what? I'm just gonna remove it.
Oh,
Man,
diba?
I'm just gonna throw it away. You know, I'm gonna turn around. It's only 5 days later. I did it. Yeah, okay, huh?
Hee.
They drop off Monday.
Yeah, let's stand outside only and spray chung. I could do that one day.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Well, I can't go there. Yeah, so one day, but yeah, they can do it in 5 days. They can do it. Oh, it's okay.
Professional player.
Technically, can't take for a premium color. At this point, yeah, more solid now. You teach here.
Mga Kachupapi, gabi na rito. Papakita daw sa akin ng mother-in-law ko yung yung chicken niya. Bi, akala ko bawal mag-alaga ng chicken dito. Bawa, I thought it's not allowed to
Ham chicken.
chicken.
Like to grow chicken.
No, it's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah, as long as it's just not running around everywhere. As long as they're
Because they say
enclosed.
it's very loud. That's not the one.
loud.
It's not loud.
Before they get loud, they
When they
already
get
been
loud, they
killed
get-
already.
They get killed already.
Ay, so cold.
Pag yung nagtitilawak na, kinakatay na ng nanay nila. Dami na.
Is there's egg already?
No,
Well,
kasi...
Kakamulo, ano, light to arm.
Ha?
Kakamulo, tayo pa.
Why so like water on it?
What happened?
This is not a cake. Like, you want that?
Oh, maybe upstairs. Ano, it sounds like water running.
No, there's no water.
Maybe a shower upstairs.
Yeah, someone's taking a shower.
It's okay, Boa. Baho ba? May kakakaliwan.
Papakainin daw ng mother-in-law ko yung sisiw niya.
Right, you're making a wash right now?
Oh.
No?
Oh, okay. There's no
Dryer.
water up there. Yeah, it's probably the dryer.
Shop. No, probably shower.
The dryer coming off from there.
If there's a logo, I want to have chicken too.
Magalaga ng chicken. Mamamatay yung chicken sa inyo, malamig sobra.
Kaya nga yun.
Dito nga tingnan mo, may pailaw pa para mainitan.
Yeah.
This setup is
No
very
paint,
different.
it smells
Yeah,
like
but I
old.
have a cloth setup
See, it
inside.
smells like mold.
Yeah, it smells like mold.
Yeah, his is leather, mine is cloth. It's different inside.
You need
Why you didn't use this one?
Well, I've just been lazy.
Is it broken?
No.
tinatry niya, pero pag sabi ko, pag ginagamit niya, hindi ako sumasakay.
I can drive across the country. I'm pretty comfortable.
Ayoko, sabi ko, pag
It's kind of like the carriage paper. Have it.
ganyan din ba amoy, lumang-luma?
Hindi naman, wala namang amoy yung amin. Kasi nga malamig siguro, ganun. Tingnan mo yung mama niya. O sa nakikita ko yung nanay niya. Oh.
Nakakalat ba?
On there.
She's still using those.
Malamig ako sa... Ala, bakit pinatay niya yung ilaw? Dapat...
Hindi patay, may comforter lang.
Okay.
Pasok ko na, malamig.
So, ganito lang pala yung garage nila. Parang ganito lang din yung garage namin.
Oh, marami lang tong gamit. So,
Oo.
dikit lang lalo. Kasi nga, tingnan mo yung space niya, boy. Diba? Inusog niya ng halos.
Dati kasi nakakaano pa yung dyan.
Mga gamit niya nandun.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, we did a lot of upgrades in here too. They used to never have doors like this. These are all new. All lights are new too.
That's good.
what are those? That's
My
yours,
package stuff, car stuff.
So,
Yeah, it's another serve. I'll take care of that later.
when was that?
Just yesterday, next time that they dropped it off. That's why they do what I noticed. That they're gonna drop it off.
Malamig na, day.
Mag na sa gabi.
Tara na. Pasok mo tayo.
Is it the same one?
No, it's another one.
Ito yung machine nila doon.
Oh, yung pala ng USB.
Naandar pa rin, be.
Ilang minutes?
We got two.
2 minutes.
Tapos na yan. Buksan mo.